This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious spinach smoothie. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll want about 1 to 2 cups of fresh spinach, your favorite fruits like a banana or some berries, and a liquid base such as water, almond milk, or even orange juice. Having these ingredients ready makes the process super smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a great start to your day. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them ready for blending. Start by thoroughly washing your 1 to 2 cups of fresh spinach. Next, peel and chop your chosen fruit, like a banana or a half cup of berries, into smaller pieces. Finally, add all of your prepared spinach, fruit, and your liquid base into a high-speed blender. With all your ingredients in the blender, it's time to blend. Turn your blender on high and process until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy with no visible spinach pieces. If your smoothie seems too thick, simply add a little more liquid, about 1/4 cup at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. You can also add a touch of honey for extra sweetness. Your delicious and nutritious spinach smoothie is now ready. Carefully pour your vibrant green creation into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh mint leaf or a few extra berries on top. It's a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrient intake. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshing and healthy drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.